Hi, my name is Raihana binti Salahuddin. My metric number is 01DKM20F1013.
Hi, my name is Hakimi Afina binti Ishak and my metric number is 01DKM20F1016.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Azly binti Salim. My metric number is 01DKM20F1019.
Hi, my name is Nurul binti Azree. My metric number is 01DKM20F1015.
First of all, the environment is something you are very familiar with. It's everything that makes up our surroundings and affects our ability to live on the earth. For example, the air we breathe, the water that cover most of the earth's surface, and the plants or animals around us. In engineering, we have environmental engineers that typically do prepare, review, and update environmental investigation reports. Other than that, they also design projects that lead to environmental protection, such as water reclamation facility or air pollution control system. An engineer's responsibility ensure the safety and effectiveness of process, system, or product. Engineers work with a team and must be able to cooperate with other co-workers to ensure the success of a project. Effective communication plays a role between engineers, customer, and business. Other than that, for me, engineer responsibility first, making plans using detailed drawing. Second, creating accurate project specification. Third, build a building and highway.
What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Example of sustainable development. First, efficient water features. It is replacing current construction practice and supporting the installing of efficient shower heads. Toilets and other water appliances can conserve one of Earth's most precious resources such as water. So in this development, they need to use a lot of water. Next, green space include park and other areas where plants and wildlife mental health are encouraged to thrive. This space also offer the public great opportunities to enjoy outdoor recreation. Greener area could lead to significant and lasting improvements to an individual's mental health.
Why do engineers need to be responsible with their action towards sustainable development? Firstly, they are responsible to the environment. If they don't do their profession correctly, many pollution could occur, such as air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Next, because they are responsible to the society and animal, they have to ensure that animals and humans are living in a comfort and safety place. They are also responsible to ensure the design, construction, operation, and maintenance need without suspicion of affordability. Lastly, it includes in the philosophy and ethics of engineering. The principles of sustainable development are explicitly included in the codes of ethics, with the first fundamental canon being, engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, and shall strive to comply with the principle of sustainable development in the performance of their professional duties.
The effect when engineer ignore development is the first cause the country economy to fall, because one of the pillars of the country economy is the unsystematic exploitation of development. This is because when the government or the private sector plan to develop an area and they should think in the detail the negative impact that will cause the most development problem. In addition, the effect of felling tree for development project will cause the habitat of flora and fauna to be destroyed. This can cause flora and fauna to become extinct. This attitude should not be kept in the engineer that can cause problem to the environment. Finally, the engineer must play a role in the better addressing the impact of this development to curb the impact of the development on the environment, because the engineer has stated that an engineer must conduct technical studies at the construction site first, assess the environmental impact of the project site, compile the occupation specification and the ROC tender procedures, ensuring that the project comply with the legal requirement, especially health and safety and so on. If he does not to take a role in the development of what will happen, for example, the government and the engineer also needs to think about what will affect the country if he neglects his responsibilities. And civil engineers are very important in planning and oversee construction project. And the civil engineer also create, improve and protect the environment, design and oversee the construction and maintenance of building structures and infrastructure. Without them, country will not move. Okay, thank you for watching.